This is a chicken that my uncle gave me. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight, and this is how we prepare it. Welcome to my grandfather's 30-hectare farm. I'm so excited to be here. This is where I grew up. This is where I saw my grandfather build wealth, and it is exciting to see how much work is being done here by my uncle. I am with my uncle David here, and this is his project, and he's going to introduce us to what he's doing. What is behind you there, uncle? Back there.
Yeah, here we have tomatoes.
Wow.
We have prawns. And the other field here is for okra.
This is okra here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And maize already.
Maize
is that
already.
Winter maize?
That's winter maize, yeah.
And you have an irrigation system here?
Yes, we have an irrigation system.
Okay, so those are the pipes that come from the borehole here.
From the borehole to the tank.
To the tank.
And we are using solar.
Oh my
Solar
goodness.
panels.
I see. And I see lots of tomatoes here already harvested.
We have started harvesting.
And where do you sell these?
We are selling in the Boma.
Okay.
Though the market is bad.
I see.
We are trying.
You're trying.
You are trying to
You are
sell.
trying. These are the solar panels that are used. And the pump is inside. So what is here? It's a control switch. So this is the tank. I'll show it better. 10,000 liters. And our property goes as far as the eye can see. 30 hectares.
The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine.
And I see onions there. Yeah. And what's back there?
We grew maize, so it didn't do well.
Okay. So this was supposed to be winter maize, or?
Winter maize,
I see. Okay. Sprinklers. And more solar panels. So this whole place is powered by, looks like 4 large solar panels. It's powering the house, the tank, the borehole, and here is a plow. There's a tractor around, but it's not here right now. But here are the plows that they use for farming this whole area. My grandfather had all of this stuff. He had a tractor, he had a plow, he had cows, and it's so exciting to see one of my uncles take up the job. He has all these chickens. Every village usually has chickens like this. So it's such a great idea. I can see there's one laying eggs there, or maybe brooding. This is a chicken that my uncle gave me. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight, and this is how we prepare it. The brazier that we use for cooking, and that's charcoal. This is another type of brazier. So the water is already boiling for removing the feathers. So this is hot water, and this is how we're going to remove the feathers now. And now we are going to remove the feathers from this chicken. So this is how we do it. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody who might appreciate this type of content.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
putting it on hot charcoal to get rid of all those little feathers that didn't finish. So this is the process we're doing here. So she's going to remove what do you call it, the part where the food settles before it goes down. Taking out the intestine. That a forming egg just fell there. These are pumpkin leaves, and this will be our vegetable. They have to remove the fiber out of there because that's not nice to eat. And then there's that. So now we're cutting the vegetables. I know people are not used to seeing vegetables cut this way with no cutting board, but she's not going to cut herself, so don't worry. We are now boiling the chicken so that it softens because it's organic chicken and it's very tough. So this is how the chicken is looking. We are browning it and it's organic chicken, free range, so it's on the tough side. We're going to have to simmer it a little bit. These are the vegetables and this is what it looks like. Pumpkin leaves. Looks lovely. And my niece is putting in onions, and then she's gonna put in tomatoes. Now we are about to make the Nshima. So my sister is mixing the cornmeal, which is this, with water, and I'll show you the next part. So this is how we make Shima, which is a corn mash. Boiling already, and she's gonna start adding flour. So she's mixing the corn flour. Back a bit so you can show me in there, and then you can come and show. So this is how we cook Nshima. My sister has been cooking. I'm just taking over for a little bit. And now you can show the Nshima itself. This is the consistency. And this is how we serve.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every
we are all here ready to eat, and this is what the meal looks like. You've zoomed in. That's the chicken, pumpkin leaves. So that's chicken, pumpkin leaves, and Nshima. Enjoy. Where I learned to swim. I used to do dishes right here, and washing, laundry, everything is done in this stream. Even up to today, there are people that are still in here doing laundry and all that. So this was my playground. I enjoyed catching fish, and we had so much fun catching crabs. This is Kantenda Stream, where I grew up from the time I was 2 years old. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm wishing you God's blessings, and see you in the next one. Bye bye from Kasempa, Zambia.